Hey guys, so we're going to try a different view. I enjoyed this view last time. I don't currently have my studio, so we're going to try this time. This video is going to be about perimeter. Now, perimeter and area will be vastly important in whatever job you decide to do. But for now, we're just going to introduce perimeter. So, here we have a square. Now, what defines a square? Yes, it's got four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, my sides might not be drawn even, but a square has four equal sides. So if this side is 4, this side is also 4. And this side is 4, and this side is 4. That's an H. But that side is 4. See, all these sides are even. If one side's 4, we know they're all 4. For a square. We're going to get to other shapes momentarily. So, in order to find the perimeter, what we do is we add each side. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. And 12 plus 4 is 16. So the perimeter, P, equals 16 centimeters. The cm stands for centimeters. You know, we have centimeters and inches, all kinds of measurements. But cm stands for centimeters. So the perimeter is 16 centimeters. Now, the shape on the bottom is a rectangle. A rectangle has two sets of even sides. So, that means the side on the bottom is 10. The side on the top is also 10. The side on the side is 1. So this side is also 1. Now, in order to find the perimeter, we just add all these sides together. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. And 21 plus another 1 is 22. So the perimeter, P, of this rectangle is 22 centimeters. So now let's look at a few more shapes while we're doing perimeter. So let's look at a triangle next. Now, what is a triangle? First of all, how many sides does it have? 3, right. A triangle has 3 sides. Tri means 3. So a triangle has 3 sides. Now, there are many different kinds of triangles. Excuse me for a minute. I think the dog needs to go out. Come on. Alright. So, I'm back. So, a triangle has 3 sides. So, this is a triangle. And to my best assumption, this is an equilateral triangle. But that you can't make that assumption. Not yet, anyway. You'll learn later in school about how to figure out what the different kinds of triangles are. But right now, this is an equilateral triangle. And an equilateral triangle has sides they're the same length. So if this side is 5 centimeters, then this side is also 5 centimeters, and this side is 5 centimeters. So 5, 5, and 5. So the way that we're going to find the perimeter of this triangle is by adding all 3 sides. 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. So the perimeter of this triangle is 15 centimeters. Alright, so now perimeter can apply to any shape. Usually we think of shapes, squares, triangles, circles. Perimeter doesn't apply to circles. Well, not yet, because circles don't have sides. Excuse me just a minute. Come in. Okay, so circles don't have sides. So circles have a very special perimeter, and you'll learn about that in 7th grade. So we're not going to worry about circles right now. But let's say we have a weird shape. Such as that. It's a very weird shape. I'm not even sure what shape that would be. But the great thing about perimeter is it doesn't have to be a well-defined shape. All we have to know is the length of each side. So let's say the length of this side is 7 centimeters. The length of this side is 8 centimeters. The length of this side is 4 and 5. So now we have every side labeled. Now the only thing we do with perimeter, just like we did with the square, just like we did with the rectangle, just like we did with the triangle, is we add all these sides up. So we got one that's 8, one that's 7. So what I'm going to do, instead of making this chain of all of these numbers, what I'm going to do is add 2 numbers at once. So 8 plus 7 is 15. So we're done with that side. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Now, if you want to, I would say something that you can do so you keep track is mark your numbers out as you go. We've used that one, and let's say that one. $24 plus another 4 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. And 36 plus 4, and I'm going to do it that way just because I'm out of room, is 40. So we've used all of our fours on the side. You know, the side that looked like crazy fingers. So the perimeter of this weird shape is 40 centimeters. The perimeter is 40 centimeters. And here's how we found it. We added all of the numbers. See, here's the 8, here's the 7, here's the 5, here's the 4, this 4, that 4, that 4, and finally that 4. So, in order to give you a basic definition of perimeter, perimeter can be any shape. It can be a clean triangle, or it can be something crazy like this, which looks like a witch's hand or Aquaman's trident. But no matter what it is, all you have to do to find the perimeter is to add every side. So if I challenge you to go out, look around your house, look around nature, find something, measure it, and find the perimeter. But be safe when you do. Please stay away from the coronavirus, and I'll see you next time to look at area. Bye.